guys, welcome back to our channel.
And
we are here and we want to go buy some stuff at Target. And guess what we got? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Mini brand. I don't know what series they are.
This is mine, and this one's mine.
I got this one. So we got mini brands.
Yep.
I don't know what series this is.
I'm gonna open the.
She said series.
I'm gonna layer.
You open yours first. I'm
gonna open.
Wait, no, let's open this first.
Big one. I'm just gonna open.
Fine. Where's
a little
okay,
bit.
we'll open this last.
How do I do this? Oh.
You got it? Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what we might get, but let me show you this. I don't know what this is. I think it's to put, to store your mini stuff in here. I think she's gonna get the slime, the mini slime. Yeah, and the balloons. I hope she gets the
That's
color
water
for you.
balloons.
Water balloons, yeah. Yeah, I think she might get those. Or maybe the rainbow corns. I'm not sure. I think, yeah, I'm not going to stand up.
You want me to help?
But I'm not sure what she's going to get. I never saw how this works.
I know you guys saw me.
I want to see how it works.
Brands with
So,
that's the second time
yeah,
I did it.
she has the golden one.
Yeah.
That kind of, oh no.
I don't have the golden.
Oh, it fell down.
It fell down.
So it's white now. So it's really white. The wrappers are over here.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
We'll move this to the side. We'll move this over here so it cleans. Yeah, I'm really excited to open this.
Let's open this one.
Okay, fine. We'll open this one. Wait, no. We have to open that first. Okay, fine. Who cares?
We're opening it.
Okay, fine. You can't even decide your brain yet. Okay, ready? Oh, ooh, this is so cool! A SpongeBob box. Ooh, there's something also inside.
This.
Do you have to open these? I'm not sure if you have to open it.
Well, and we got this.
Oh gosh, I know they glued this. Look, it's a Jojo Siwa bow thing.
What
It's so cute.
Do you know what is this?
Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little slip and slide. So cute. And this is SpongeBob robot. Okay,
I'm so excited to open this. I'm gonna take.
Okay, you can't even decide to bring it. Okay.
I'm gonna open this first.
Okay, this one. Okay, you do that. I don't know what this means.
I'm so excited. Before it's late. It's like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or something o'clock. So it looks like bananas.
Yeah, no, it looks like a slices of apples. Okay, so they said there's 5 inside there, right?
Okay, so I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna see. Watch me open.
What did you get?
Oh my goodness!
Look at it.
I got a
Wait,
little.
you want me to show them? Okay.
No, I want to.
Okay, you show them. It's so cute. It's a little mini brand. Show it closer.
It's not.
Wait, no, it's not. It's not. What is it?
What's
So,
this?
is that Unicorn Squad?
Squad mini.
I don't know what that is. Ooh, this goes here. Wait, where does it go? Over here. So maybe here.
No.
Yeah.
Stuck. It gets stuck.
Yeah.
No, it's right here.
No, it's flat. This, see?
And I opened that.
Okay, open more. It's so cute.
I
can't believe.
Ah.
There's no water slide for this.
I got this.
Ninja Turtle!
Oh my gosh, where does this go?
No,
I'm so
over here.
crazy.
Okay.
I love
so
mini
cute.
brands.
I have no idea what these goes. What is... What is this? Oh, found it. It goes here.
I got this. I forgot.
What is that?
That's
It's,
that's a Dora backpack.
Yeah, I think so.
Dora
Yeah.
backpack. You guys can see at the
Okay, I don't know where this goes.
Where does this go?
Wait, let me see. I don't know. Okay. Let's see.
Dora. Yay! I don't like. Dora.
I don't know. I don't think it's in there. I don't think it's in there.
No, it's right here. Just put it. I'm just gonna.
Okay, who cares? Okay.
Get the instructions, but you have 2 more to go.
I think we can open these for our little dolls.
Whoa! What is this? This looks.
Oh, this is like the little weird guy thing. Look, I don't know what's his name though. He's from Nickelodeon.
This is the last
He's
one.
really funny though, I think.
Whoa! What is this?
That is the cart. Yeah, cart. I can't believe they give us little carts. Look at the wheel.
It has a sticker.
We'll do this last. We'll do this the last part. Okay,
I
these
wanna
are the
open
parts that we
more.
can't find. I'm gonna open this.
Mm.
Okay, ready? I think should we switch spots?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
switch.
Okay, so you can organize those stuff. We're gonna do the carts last.
Okay.
I don't know. Okay. This is like opening an LOL doll.
I know.
Laura, you forgot to put these. Okay, I'm so
Okay,
excited
I don't know
to
where
open
they
these.
are. These go, but I think it goes. When I found a perfect fit.
No, that's not gonna fit.
It is. Found a perfect fit.
Okay, I think I got it. Okay.
When I found a perfect fit. See, right there.
No, that's not gonna fit, Lyra.
Yes, it is.
Are you sure that's gonna fit?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm so excited. What do you think I'm gonna get?
I think you're gonna get the. I don't know. I don't know. I don't.
Okay, I got it.
I think it's gonna be.
You open this part, the white part?
Yeah.
Okay. No. Oh, that's so sad.
I know. If you don't know what satisfied means, then it means
Wait, so how do you do it? You just like.
no. The other.
Oh, I wanna do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, it's so cool.
Can I open one?
No, Ma, I didn't get to open one.
I love it.
Okay, I don't know which one should I open. I'm gonna open this one. I can kind of see it, but you can't really. Look, I got the snake. Look, okay, I got this like a robot snake. This is so fun. Okay, no. Okay, Lyra, stop. You broke it.
It's okay.
Oh, we got another.
Nickelodeon scene.
Lyra, can you stop it?
I love
I'm
it.
trying to open these. Okay, so I already opened one and she broke one of it. Oh yeah, this part. Ooh, I got like a little,
That's
I don't know, little
Dinosaur
a
thing.
dinosaur thing. I'm gonna open this one. Ooh, this one's like a blue dragon.
2 more to go.
Okay. Okay, no, just one more. One more. Ooh, and then the turtle mask. I wonder where this goes. Okay, so we're done with this. So I think we're gonna be organizing it. Should we organize it? I didn't get a card. That's weird. I didn't get a
Wait.
card.
Is it 15 minutes? Did it
I
pass?
don't know.
Mom said only.
Hey, Laura, can you just be... How come you got a card and I didn't get a card?
I don't know.
But you
about
are
this one.
lucky.
Does
Okay.
it say the dragon?
Lyra, okay. Lyra, you did it the wrong way, didn't you?
Oh no.
Wait, actually, I think you can open this, but I'm not sure if you can really open it.
The dragon
The
is not
mask
here.
goes here.
The dragon is not here.
The dragon?
I think it's right there. Is it?
Wait.
Yeah, it is.
Just
It
do
fits.
whatever one it fits. I really wanted the crayon though. Does this go here when you saw it?
Yeah.
Or was it here?
Yeah, it was right. No.
No.
It was right. No. It was
I think
right
that's
here.
it. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, me too. If you want to see
I really...
how it looks like.
Lyra, this is the wrong one.
Oh,
Isn't it? Yeah.
it's right here.
Yeah, it goes there, doesn't it? Yeah, it goes there. Yeah, Lyra, you did it wrong. Okay, look what we got.
Da-da-da-da. Yeah, no. Take a
Lyra, you
closer.
got 2 of these. Okay.
Mhm.
And we're gonna show you this.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
We're gonna
close
show
this.
you how it looks. No, we forgot to put this in, Lyra. You silly
Oh,
goose.
did we?
Okay, now we're gonna do the cart, which we're ready.
We're really ready.
Okay, we need the extractions.
It's right there.
Oh, okay. For the extractions, okay, let me just see. Okay, so you need this flat piece that has 2 little holes in it. A little help here. What are you trying to do?
Just something so I can pull it off.
Okay, look, I got it. And I think it goes like this.
Look, it has a little of this.
Wait, I don't know where this goes. Wait, it goes like... Oh, you're not supposed to do that. Okay, never mind. I was reading the wrong instructions. Okay. Okay, so this part...
I'm not trying to put that. Says you have to put that with something.
Wait, there has to be 2 of... Okay.
Look, you guys are in the chain.
Look, okay, I did it. I think this is the right one. Because... And then this is the...
Look, it looks blue but it's
Mm.
not blue. It looks blue. Let me take another look. That's the back. If you guys want to count it, you guys can count. So that side, there's 2
Okay, Lyra,
SpongeBobs.
can you-
And this side.
Okay, I don't know.
Oh, did it?
I did it, guys. Did it.
Oh no, you
The other one fell down? Okay. I think... I don't know what this is, though.
I know what it is. It's where you hold it.
Are you sure about
Yes.
that? Really
See?
sure?
See?
Okay, I did it.
Ow, ow,
Oh, this one's the
ow.
wrong way. Well, yeah, this one's the wrong way. Sorry.
It's like 9 something now. Red, I know that we're not talking. And C didn't want to open this, which I found this first and C grabbed it first.
Well, because
'Cause
you
I
didn't
told
want
her.
it. You see, you didn't want it.
Because I was like, maybe I don't want that. Maybe I want that, that, and that, and that. But then it was got too much because I had $30. That's it. $34 and I have
Okay, guys, I did it. I think this goes here. I'm not sure. Maybe. Maybe it goes like this.
I don't know. What's this?
Check it. On.
Is it the wrong way?
No.
We never
Don't
stop. No, that's the last one.
Bye. Bye bye. I'm going. Bye bye.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I did it.
Okay, guys. I think this red part goes here. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to fix it if it's wrong.
I know that we just do unboxing, but I don't know if you guys don't want me to do that anymore. I think you guys want me to do a friend video, but then I try to do that, but then I just don't know what to say.
Okay, I have no idea.
I might have to do this off the camera, cause it's almost time. Well, this is how much I can do. So, yeah.
It's really cute though.
I wish I wish we had another one. I don't think it goes like that. I think this one goes. Yeah, I think I did it wrong. I'll fix it. But thanks for watching.
It's getting really late.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button and the thumbs up
And
and comment down below which one is your favorite mini toy.
Bye. Bye to them.
bye bye.